Right, I've just got an order off Etsy. I fucking love Etsy. That's my 11th sale on Etsy. In about a week, so it's not great. I'm going to see if I can do the order. Switch my computer on, do the order, and deliver it within an hour. The time now is 14:43. Let's go. Right, now I've quickly opened Lightburn. I've modded the files, which you want to do. Now, this is just for me. It helps me know where to put things. So this doesn't get printed. I've got this online with speed of 200 but 0 power. So here we go. We've got the Everton crests and we've got the names underneath. Now the lady that ordered another one straight after. So we've got two to order now. So let's go. Here we go. We're lasering ahead. Lasering ahead. We're going to have these done in no time at all. But the lady has just put another order in. So once these are finished, I've got to throw another one underneath. I've sorted that on the computer so it can all go at the same time. So here's the chest freezer, which I've made into a makeshift table, and this is where I do my packing. So I know how big a coaster is. Move this along so I can just go up there. Okay, it's not so simple to do with one hand. No, that's not going to cut straight. And then I'll pack the coasters like this, and then they get put into a box as well, just to be on the safe side. Let's go. So what I'll do is, when they're done under the laser engraver, I'll bring them over here. I'll put a coating on them. As you can see with this, slate scratches quite easily, so I put a coating on it, which just helps with the scratches so it doesn't become as scratchy. So it sounds like these are going to be done any minute. I'm going to take them out, put the next one on to engrave, and then get these painted. Hopefully they'll be dried before I go, or I'll have to get the hairdryer on. Now what I'm doing, I'm using the hairdryer, dry them off faster, so we can get these delivered as soon as possible. Do me a favour, don't tell my girlfriend I'm using a fucking Dyson hair dryer to dry these. She'll go apeshit. Let's fix that a bit. Right, all done, all packaged, all ready to go. I'm in the car. There's the parcel. All three coasters in. Now, I'm going to, I was going to say Chester. I'm going to Wirral now to drop them off. Now, I've got not even that, 15 minutes to go. I'm not going to do it in a million years. Never going to do it in 15 minutes. Let the team down. Can't do it in an hour. But anyway, let's go and drop them off. Let's see your reaction for getting them in just over an hour. Done it. I've done it with 1 minute to spare. I'm back in the car. The order's being dropped off. I didn't think I was going to do it, but I did, and it's all done. So that's how you keep customers happy. That order, she ordered less than 1 hour ago. It was personalised. I personalised it for her, and I dropped it off within an hour. Right, if you know me and you want to order something off me, maybe I might even drop it off. It's very doubtful, but I could do. My Etsy is JRP Handmade. If you just put that into Etsy, you'll see all my gear which I'm selling on there. It's all personalised by me for you or someone else. Right, as usual, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that. Right, see you soon.